Ever found yourself wondering how to make the perfect stew chicken? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the art of crafting a delectable stew chicken that will have your taste buds singing with joy. First, we start with 3 pounds of chicken. You'll want to clean and cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces about 1.5 inches each. Give them a good wash with vinegar and water, then set them aside for a bit. While the chicken rests, we'll prepare the rest of our ingredients. Chop up 1 large onion, 2 stalks of scallion, 2 sprigs of thyme, 4 pegs of garlic, and 1 medium Scotch bonnet pepper. These aromatic ingredients will provide a flavorful base for our stew. Next, we add the soy sauce, half of the chopped seasoning, and all the dry seasonings to the chicken. We're using 2 teaspoons of tropical spice all-purpose seasoning and 1.5 teaspoons of tropical spices chicken seasoning here to give our stew a rich, savory flavor. Rub everything together well and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. The longer it sits, the more flavorful it will be. After the chicken is marinated, it's time to get cooking. Heat a skillet on a medium flame for 1 minute, add 2 teaspoons of olive oil and heat for another 30 seconds. Scrape off the seasoning from the chicken and reserve it for later. Add the seasoned meat to the skillet and braise it, stirring to prevent sticking or burning and ensure that the meat is evenly browned. This should take about 10 minutes. Once the meat is browned, add the reserved seasoning and 6 ounces of hot water, then cook for another 10 minutes. Toss in the remaining seasonings and 3 tablespoons of ketchup, then allow it all to simmer until the chicken is tender. Finally, add salt to taste. And there you have it, the perfect stew chicken. It's a simple recipe, but the flavor is anything but. From the aromatic seasonings to the savory chicken, every bite is a celebration of flavor. So, to recap, clean and cut your chicken, prepare your seasonings, marinate the chicken, braise the meat, add the reserved seasoning and hot water, then simmer until tender. A few simple steps, and you've got a dish that's sure to impress. Don't forget to adjust the seasonings to your liking. And remember, the key to a great stew is patience. So take your time, let the flavors meld together, and enjoy the process. After all, cooking isn't just about the end result, it's about the journey too. Happy cooking!